Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to show a really cool Maya trick that will allow you to clean up your curves. And when to use curves? Well, you can use them for maybe a motion path, or maybe you are creating curves to loft an object. And a lot of times you just simply need beautiful, nice, clean curves, right? So most of the time, if you are creating something organic, you would probably use EP curve, but let's say you use the pencil curve instead, right? And let's say I'm creating a motion path for a character, or, again, maybe I'm lofting a vase or something, but let's say I start drawing a curve that looks something like this, and let's just make something complex. It's gonna go this and this, and I'm gonna let it go, right? Now, if I let it go, you can see, if you look closely, that if you use a pencil, it's gonna be very distorted or jaggedy. I'm not really sure what the correct term is, but it's not very clean and appealing, right? On top of that, if you go to edit points, you can see that this curve has a lot of points, and maybe some of them are unnecessary, and it just doesn't look pretty. Is there a way to clean this up in Maya? And there is. All you need to do is just simply select your curve, and then under modeling, go to curves, and down here there's something called rebuild. If you click on options, and let me go ahead and reset mine, right? I have something called number of spans, and let's say I want to clean this up and make it beautiful. Well, let's just do something like 40, and we can, control this, right? So I'm going to say apply. And you can see very quickly that my ugly pencil curve turned into something really beautiful, right? Very clean. If I right click and go to edit points, I can see that they are evenly distributed, and it's just incredible and very easy to modify. I can select my point, I can go to control vertex, and now I can press W and move these around, right? And it's very clean and very easy to manage. And then, of course, if I wanted to simplify it further, I could maybe go to 20 and do apply, and now I have something even better. Let's take a look. And now, you have something that is super powerful, very easy to use, and gives you full control over your pencil curves. All right, so I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.